Welcome in, everyone. I'm Gabriel, and it must be Tuesday because once again, you're watching Drum Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to address something real simple. Just going to talk about hand speed, control, consistency, just some basic chops very specifically for the single stroke roll. In case we're not familiar with what we're talking about, this is it. Your ability to just alternate back and forth, right hand to left hand. But how do you work on that? I say one hand at a time. How often do you work on it? Often, right? I haven't worked on it very often. I just found myself the other day feeling like my singles are real slow, and I dug into some old exercises for developing the single stroke roll that I haven't done in a while, and I thought I would share them with us today. First one is going to be this. 8 on a hand. Real simple. You go 8/8 notes on this hand, 8/8 notes on this hand. You go back and forth. I'm going to say 8 times, 4 times on the right, 4 times on the left. And you just watch each hand to look for a couple of different things. Consistent stick height, consistent velocity of stroke. Yeah, let's just focus on those two. Stick height and velocity of stroke, because they're kind of connected, right? You can bring your stick way up high and hit too light. You can have it way too low, or you can have it low and be too heavy, or any variation in between. You want to make sure you're not killing the pad. You want to make sure that you're not just touching it real light either. Something in between that and that, right? I'm gonna hang out right here. That feels good to me. You adjust your stroke velocity and height to taste. And let's do this thing. It's just going to be 8/8 notes on a hand, back and forth 8 times. I'm just going to count it off real slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Let's do it one more time. 3, 4. Let's play it to a metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. And when you do it at a tempo like that, of course, it makes more sense to do it more often like I described at the top of the video. Now, let's work on alternating the hands. It's not much of a single stroke roll without alternating the hands. What we're gonna do is do a similar kind of thing, except we're gonna work in a systematic way of alternating the hands. We're gonna play this thing off the right, off the left, and then we're gonna go right into singles off the left. And when we do that, we're just gonna take 16th notes. So nothing crazy, but then we're gonna come out of it off the left, off the right, singles off the right. Real slow, it's going to look like this. We're going to try to talk us through it. So 8/8 notes on the right hand. 8/8 notes on the left hand. Keep the left hand going, fill in with the right. You're now playing 16th notes, leading with the left. 8/8 notes with the left hand. 8/8 notes with the right hand. Singles leading with the right. 16th notes. And that's a nice exercise. You could just keep that going, and you don't even have to stop to change. Well, you don't even have to stop. You could just keep flowing with the thing. Let's put it to a metronome. Quarter note equals 120, and play it like this. Now you might be saying to yourself, that's not very fast and I don't feel like I'm doing a whole lot of singles either. Well, I got something for you. A nice variation on the exercise wherein we play, triplets instead of eighth notes. So instead of playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we're going to play 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and right? Then go off the left. Singles off the left, but they're going to be sextuplets, right? 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and triplets off the left. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and off the right. 2 and a 3 and you guessed it. Let's do that with a metronome. Now, this is pretty cool because when you warm up, you are, of course, warming up. You're not as fast as you're going to be when you start hitting the pad. So you can set whatever tempo you're at. I chose 120 for today because it's nice and easy, march tempo. And you can, without changing the metronome and without stopping the exercise, go from one of these variations into the next. After you feel like you've warmed up sufficiently, you can just go right into the variation that has an increased speed. First things first though, let's just take a look at this one that's in triplets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, once you get that together at whatever tempo you have it together, you can take all three of these things and just sort of smash them together and get a real quick singles review that is targeted, it's efficient, and you don't have to spend all day doing it. And so if you take your 8 on a hand, do that a couple times until you feel like you can play the 16th notes, do that a couple times until you feel like you can play the triplets and sextuplets. And a very basic routine for that will sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on with it. 16ths off the left. Triplets.